All right, folks, we're south on the Appalachian Trail in PA, up in Slatington. There is a shelter right up here that I wanted to show you. So, a lot of through hikers will probably remember this shelter, but there's a spring right there. I'll get to the shelter shortly. There's a bird box down there. Here's our shelter, the fire pit. There's the spring we just came up from. George W. Outerbridge shelter. Well, pretty nice looking shelter.